Hello to all you gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. This is Samantha and today I'm going to make a video on a non-branded haul. So I have been doing shopping from last 2 months now and I have selected Zara, Mango, Only and few local brands. So which you can get it available at the physical store or you can get it online or get delivered at home. So let's get started. So the first thing that I have is this is a dress, a jumpsuit actually. This is from Mango. I just got it for 900 bucks and the size is L. I love the color cream actually with this print. It goes really well and you can wear it in any occasion actually. It's a kind of a summer dress. It has one arm sleeves and a tiny knot kind of a thing here. It also has a pocket which is definitely you will love it when you wear it, and you can carry your cell phone inside. And I am going to pair it with an oyster shell neck piece and a ballerina, which will definitely complement each other, and you can see it in my video. Okay, so the next piece I have got is a white cotton shirt with the long sleeves and the small frills down. So this shirt I got it from Only and this is again for just 900 bucks. The size I have selected is large, and the jewelry that will complement this is going to be a simple chain, a silver or gold chain. Along with this I can wear a white shorts or any denim shorts, or I can this material is very thin so I can tuck in and I can wear this with jeans too. I can wear it with boots or I can wear it with heels, and since it's a cotton shirt it's going to be very comfortable. The occasion where I can wear this is going to be a very casual ones. I can join a friend for a meeting or a party, something like that. So this is going to be an amazing style. So the next piece I have got is a Zara dress. It is an evening party dress, you can say. It's a seaweed color with a nice pink dots in it. Since it's Zara, you must be knowing that they have a very good premium quality products, premium quality clothing. So even in a hot and humid situation, I won't feel that hot, it won't bother me that much. And also the size, I have selected L. L is my size, and I'm going to pair this with nice stilettos and with very minimal jewelry. I got to see this in Zara store and I just loved it. It is just for 3,000 bucks, and you can check my video now. So the next dress I have got is again Zara. It is a black cotton dress with a halter neck. I just love this dress. I have a lot of black dresses, but this black dress is my favorite. I am going to wear this with black stilettos with no jewelry. Only a watch will do, I guess. Since it's cotton and I got it only for 999, and I just love this. You can check it out in my video. The next piece that I've got is a black skirt, a black pencil skirt actually. This skirt can be paired with any kind of t-shirt or a shirt that you love the most. Okay, so this skirt can be worn with shoes, it can be worn with heels, it can be worn with flats too. I can wear the skirt in office, I can wear it at home, I can wear it for a casual meeting. I just love this. It's going to be so comfortable, and you can check it out in my video. Okay, so the next piece I have got is this. It has got a nice puff sleeves and a nice small frills. It's a kind of a crop top, you can say, which I'm going to pair this with jeans. I can wear it with skirt too. If you see, it has got a round neck behind, and it has got a kind of a deep neck in front. I just bought it for 300 bucks, and you can check it in my video. Okay, so the next thing I have got is a spaghetti dress. It has got a lace in front, which is going to look amazing if you pair it with nice skirt, or you can wear it with jeans again, or a jeggings will help. It's going to be very comfortable and very light. You can feel it. I just bought it for 300 bucks and from a local store, so you can check it out in my video. Okay, so the last thing that I've got is a peach color crop top. This crop top, I bought it from Amazon. I'm going to wear this top with, I'm going to wear this t-shirt with shorts. I can wear it with denim shorts, I can wear it with jeans. It's very comfortable. It's a cotton, it's pure cotton. I bought it for 300 bucks, and I got it, this is Roadster, and the sizes XL would be little loose, but I just love it as it is loose. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe with your friends and family. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll be coming back with more such styling. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.